Total AI. Hey there, welcome to my Total AI review. In this video, we are going to take a sneak peek inside the members area of Total AI, just to go over the features and the pros and cons of this approach, and also compare it to another very similar product launch, which almost gives the identical product. So we'll dive into the similarities with that. Before we dive into this Total AI review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing, very much focused on traffic generation, list building, and affiliate marketing for that. Been doing this at home for well over 10 years now, which is really cool. So I've seen lots of these different systems and product launches come in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research Total AI reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with Total AI, basically it reminds me of another product launch which has been going strong on the Warrior Plus platform. It's been one of the best-selling products for several months now, called One AI. Now the sales page is almost identical. They've literally copied and pasted over the sales page and changed a little bit of the text, but basically inside the product seems to be almost identical as well. So I think the product vendor has seen the success of this product launch called One AI, topping the leaderboards, generating loads of sales, converting really well, and they've decided to create their own replica of essentially the same product. Inside the One AI members area, you get access to a number of these different tools. You get 9 different AI tools, and it's the same within the Total AI members area as well. You get access to ChatGPT -40. You've got ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, Copilot Pro, MetaLlama 3, Stable Fusion XL, and Palm 2. And basically you can just switch between these in the members area, click the service you want to use, and it will open up a unique chatbot with that specific AI service being used to interact with. So you can interact with ChatGPT and get it to write you an article, for example, and then you can try the output with Copilot Pro or Gemini and see what output you get, see which makes the best fit for your business, and then you can mix and match between the different services. And again, with images, you can switch between Leonardo AI and DALL-E for some images and see which output's the best. So you can basically pick the best outputs from a number of different AI services. So I do think it's a good product to have all of these services under the same box all in one go. Total AI is basically the same. You're interacting with whatever chatbot you choose, whether it's ChatGPT or one of the other chatbots, and you can basically just interact with it, ask it to do a certain task, a certain service, write it an article, write content, social media posts. You can get it to write you email marketing campaigns, ad copy for a sales page, whatever you want. And then you can just compare the outputs from these different service providers. And then you go to the members area, quickly change the output, come back and interact with another chatbot using a different AI-powered service. And you can do the same for the AI image generators. You've got a number of text-based services, and some of them are more focused on images, such as DALL-E. And again, you can prompt in, you get some of these really quite vibrant, high-definition images that output based on your prompt. And you can use these for your blog post images, your social media posts, on YouTube thumbnails. So there's lots of use you can use with these AI image generators. You can even sell these images as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. So there's lots of different tasks you can do. Some of the tools, such as Microsoft Copilot, I believe they have the ability to actually interact with the live internet, such as the Bing results. There's another really good tool called Perplexity, which interacts with the Google search listings. Perplexity is not listed in Total AI, that would be one of the good ones to include as well. Then you've got MetaLlama, which is a new chatbot which outputs a different more informal style of text output, which could be useful for social media. So all in all, I think this is quite a good product. The one thing I'm skeptical of is, are you if what at what level of each of these AI services are you going to be using? Because these AI services, they don't have unlimited usage, and the more advanced features, you've got to pay a monthly fee. So I don't think you're going to get the advanced premium unlimited usage of these top AI tools for just one time fee. Usually the product will get you to buy credits so you can continue to use the chatbots if you go over a certain limit. So it might be one-time fee to join, but there's likely to be credits if you use it a lot. Also, I'm skeptical that you're going to get the pro versions and the paid versions of each of these tools. So if a tool charges you $20 a month, for example, I think it's going to be unlikely you're going to get that $20 a month service for one tool for just $27. So I think it's probably going to be some sort of limits there of why they're not going to be able to afford to resell those services. But you're still going to get the function of these different AI tools all under one members area. So another thing I'm skeptical of with these launches is whether they are actually using the AI tools they're saying. Are they actually using these services, or are they just using a standard chatbot and pretending they're interacting with these services on the back end? I did have a play around with this system, and I tested the different outputs with different chatbots, and they were different. So it does seem different services are legitimately opening here. I'm just skeptical on the unlimited usage and when you're going to be asked to buy credits as part of this service. So I think TotalAI is a good product. It's good for beginners who want to access a number of different AI tools under one members area, and it's going to be useful for whatever AI output you want to generate, whether it's as a freelancer or for your own marketing projects. It does seem to be an exact replica almost of the One AI product launch. So if you already purchased One AI and already have access to the One AI members area, I think you're essentially getting the same product again, or a very similar product, so it may not be worth buying TotalAI if you've already got One AI. If you haven't already got One AI, I think there'll definitely be some advantages of plugging into the TotalAI system. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my TotalAI review. If you want to discover how I go about earning a full-time income online and my number one system to plug into right now for generating realistic online income, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link, the Web Traffic Toolkit link, in the video description below for my top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my TotalAI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.